What's up, everybody? I'm at Home Depot. It's time to buy soil and plants. I anticipate making a few stops. I don't anticipate being able to get everything I need here at Home Depot, but this is where I'm starting. Let's go. Home Depot had plenty of choices on organic potting mix, but I chose this one. They didn't have the rest of what I needed, so I headed to the nursery. I needed some organic compost, worm castings, coco coir, and perlite. They had a great selection of plants. I was able to find a lot of what I needed. But I didn't find everything I needed, so I headed to this amazing nursery. I picked up a few things and headed home. All right, y'all, so I did some shopping, got a bunch of stuff. Let me show you what I got. I think I've got plenty to get me started. So I got to start by getting some soil mixed up, and then we'll plant some plants. I need to get the coco coir rehydrated. I just stick them in these garbage bags, but I forgot to put my tarp down. Now my coco coir gets soaked with hot water. First I dump the container mix, then the perlite. I added the coco coir, which I didn't film, and mixed it well. Then I started loading all of my container mix, but I ran out of daylight. The next day I visited City Farmer's Nursery for the first time. To say I was blown away was an understatement. They had a vast amount of beautiful plants. The coolest dig your own plant deal on these strawberries. And they had the edible flowers I was looking for. But what I wasn't expecting was everything else they had. They had tortoises, mini donkeys, turtles, ducklings, among other animals, and more fruit trees than I have ever seen in one place at any time. And they had my favorite. All right, so back to getting these containers filled. All right, so I got dirt in all of my containers. Now let's plant all of these plants. Loading strawberries into the tower. Next, I'm getting my vertical planters loaded up. These sugar stamps are already trying to vine. I'm hoping they will start to vine pretty quickly. The carrots were tedious. Each plant gives you about 4 or 5 plants, but you've got to pull them apart. All right, everybody, I got a lot of plants planted today. There's still a lot of work to do, but so far, looks pretty good. Let me show you what I got. Take it around. So let's start over here. We've got some spinach and some random lettuce that I didn't have room for anywhere else. Basil, Thai basil, thyme, tarragon, cilantro, Italian parsley, sorrel, and a tomato. This is a patio tomato. It's supposedly not going to get tall. It's going to stay short, and it's not going to need staking, I hope. These are edible flowers. We've got here violas and calendulas. These are not edible. We've got some kale. This is that Jacinto or dino kale. Golden beets, radish, chives, more parsley. We've got all kinds of lettuces here and arugula on the top. Same thing here. And same thing here. No arugula on this one, just lettuce. Got some rosemary, mint, oregano, my sugar snap peas. I think they're gonna climb my wooden teepee. And I've got my strawberry tower here. Got some more thyme here on the bottom of my strawberry tower. Got a couple of different types of tomatoes. Got a red cherry, celebrity, and with this one, I've read that basil is a good companion plant, so I planted that along with the tomato. Let's see what that does. Sun gold tomato, and these are bush beans. I utilized a couple of my potato bags. Here we got carrots, a couple of pepper plants. Now, as I mentioned, I don't get a lot of sun on my patio, but my neighbor, a couple of doors down, gets plenty of sun, and so they're gonna let us use their patio for these pepper plants. We got a couple of potato bags. I'm still trying to figure out my potato situation. Oh, and I didn't mention, I got this really nice tree over here in the corner. This is a honeysuckle tree. I can't remember the exact name of it. I'll figure it out and I'll let you know. But it attracts hummingbirds. So So I'll keep you guys updated and aware of what's going on in my garden. I'll see you in the next video.